before you panic sell your Jasmy coin, you have to have like a second thought, because if you're paying attention, the current price of Jasmy coin is at 0.017779. We have 3 hours and 57 minutes for this current daily candle to close. Now, in our previous video, I specifically drew you guys attention to this candle, which was a bearish candle, let me say an indecisive candle, because the buyers and the bulls, the buyers, which are the bulls, and the sellers, which are the bears, were like fighting to take control of the market. And I specifically titled that video, with the thumbnail, I told you guys the bulls are getting ready. The bulls were set. Now, what happened after we like made that video live, which I shot on the 21st, which I uploaded on the 21st of May 2025? The previous day after the video went live, Jasmy's price shot to the moon. The previous day after the video went live, Jasmy pumped hard on this daily candle before the seller stepped in and then took control of the market. The truth of the matter is, if you're heading to the 4-hour time frame, by the way, Jasmycoin is still sitting above $800 million in market cap. That is, we are still good to go. And we are currently ranked number 84th position out of over 9,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. Our market cap has risen plus 3.6% in the last 24 hours alone. The trading volume is gradually increasing after we got a massive minor flash crash on Jasmycoin. Now, trading volume is up to 13% in the last 24 hours. Now, the issue now is this current resistance, which is around 0.01798. We need to flip this resistance into a support. Now, the moment Jasmycoin is flipping this resistance into a support, then it's going to be an explosion all the way to 0.0197 and also 0.02, which was the previous resistance zone. But from the look of things now, by the way, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Like this video if you haven't already, and I really appreciate. And I hope you guys are doing well, and welcome back. So we are currently on the 4-hour time frame, and if you're paying attention to the RSI on the 4-hour time frame, the RSI is indicating a W pattern. If you ask me, I think this is a W pattern. Let me draw a projection real quick. Now, in my own opinion, this could be a W pattern for the price of Jasmycoin, and the breakout is going to be massive to get. Now, if we are to return to this neckline, it's going to go beyond the, the previous 2-cent price we got rejected from a few days ago, which I still drew you guys attention, gave you guys the heads up when we are approaching that 2-cent price for the price of Jasmycoin. Now, if you're zooming into the chart and also looking it up, you would notice we are also forming that same W pattern on the on the price chart for Jasmycoin. Now, if you ask me, I think this is a clear double bottom. You can call it double bottom or W pattern, whatever you call it, it's fine. So I think this is a clear double bottom for the price of Jasmycoin, and that's why I said before you panic sell, you have to pay attention to what we're about to say. Don't just end up selling Jasmy before the real move begins. By the time we are breaking this resistance once again, it's going to be a moonshot. And I'm expecting Jasmycoin to take out this 2-cent price finally, flip it into a support, and then take the market by surprise. Now, let's pay attention to what the BTC dominance is saying real quick. Before we even proceed with that, the fear and greed index is still sitting on the grid zone. So if you're paying attention to the entire cryptocurrency market sentiment analysis, we are currently seated at 74%, which is indicating greed. And remember, I told you guys in one of our videos that we can actually be on the grid zone for the market sentiment for weeks or even months. So you have to pay attention to the BTC dominance in order to get an edge, because you won't just start selling, okay, oh my god, it's sitting on grid or extreme grid, let me sell now. No, if you're using this indicator alone without adding the BTC dominance as a confluence, the USDT market cap as a confluence, and also the BTC price as a confluence, you are trading blindly. Now, let's even see what the BTC dominance is saying. Now, this is the BTC dominance. We are currently at 63.92%. We are left with 4 days, 4 hours for this monthly candle to close. Like I said in my previous videos, history is likely not to repeat itself this time around, because historically, previously in the previous market cycle, every May is usually when the BTC dominant bottoms. May 2021, same thing happened. May 2018, same thing happened. But reverse is the case this time around. We are now in May, almost ending the month, and I think we are left with 4 days for the month of May to end, according to the chart candle we are seeing here. And the BTC dominance isn't correcting yet. One thing is certain, we will definitely get the BTC dominance rejection we all have been waiting for. This period and months might have changed, but it's still definitely going to happen before this market cycle comes to an end. So you might wake up tomorrow and start seeing a heavy BTC dominance dump. You might wake up next week, next month, and start seeing a heavy BTC dominance dump. But the moment the BTC dominance start dumping aggressively, is going to be explosive for our altcoin bag. I'm going to be talking extensively on some of the indicators you guys should use as a confluence in our next Jasmycoin video. So we need to see a correction of minus 39%. If that correction is happening, then that is when you can begin to see the market cap of Jasmycoin head to $5 billion, $15 billion, $25 billion, $30 billion for the market cap of Jasmycoin. Hold on to your horses very, very well. Whatever I say is really my own opinion, by the way, and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. So even on the daily time frame, the resistance around the 0.018 is still very, very valid. So you guys need to pay attention. The moment we are flipping that resistance into a clean support, then we are definitely going to take out this 2 cents. Now, the Jasmy Junction posted the Jasmy roadmap FY 2025, and that was on the 22nd of May 2025. And in our next video, we're going to be looking at a breakdown of what the roadmap entails. That's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.